Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie in an air fryer. First, select an oven-safe pie dish that fits comfortably inside your air fryer basket. You'll want to ensure there's enough space for air to circulate around it. Next, prepare your favorite pie crust and filling just as you normally would for a traditional oven-baked pie. This method is surprisingly simple and yields fantastic results. Before air frying, consider blind baking your crust if your recipe calls for it. This prevents a soggy bottom. To achieve a perfectly golden crust without burning the edges, gently cover them with a small strip of aluminum foil. Finally, for that irresistible shine and color, brush the top of your pie with an egg wash before cooking. These small steps make a big difference. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, just like you wouldn't settle for a soggy pie crust, why settle for cheap socks? Life's too short for anything less than darn tough with their amazing lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to these fantastic socks and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the cooking. Preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Carefully place your prepared pie into the basket. For smaller pies, expect a cooking time of 30 to 40 minutes. Always check for doneness. The filling should be set, and a thermometer inserted into the center should read 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy your perfectly baked pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.